Hello guys, let's start our day. As we discussed in our last video, gold was at its support over here on daily time frame, and there was a trend line that supporting gold on daily time frame. This trend line support gold during Asian session and London session. Gold has respected this trend line. After the CPI data was released, gold pumped a bit, but then it continued its bearish movement. Around this point, price pumped. Then it started bearish. Now this support has become resistance over here. This trend line will react as a resistance in the range of 2590 area to 2605 area. This is the trend line where we can see this trend line as a resistance. Let's move to our 4-hour time frame. Okay. As we discussed in our last video, let me draw this trend line. Yes. As we discussed in our last video, that gold had taken some support from this trend line. But this trend line has now broken, which will now act as a resistance. If we talk about support, this is a local support. This will act as a local support. This area is 2528 to 2545 area. Wait a second. 2558 to 2545 area is a local support, and the next support will be this area. This is our good support. Strong support area is our 2529 to 2521 area is a good support for gold. This area, if price comes to this area, which was our yesterday support, this will react now as a resistance over here. Let's move to our 1-hour time frame. Yes. According to the 1-hour time frame, there was a trend line. Let me draw this. This trend line was providing support to gold, but it's now been broken and it's acting as a resistance. After the CPI data was released, gold tested this trend line and price dropped from here. This trend line area become a strong resistance level for gold. This is a horizontal resistance also. Along with this trend line also coming over here. If price approach this area, we could see a good support opportunities over here. In the range of 2612 to 2617 area is a good resistance for gold. This area will be suitable for shorting because there are two trend lines along with the horizontal resistance. This will provide strong resistance. Let's move to our 15-minute time frame. Yes. According to the 15-minute time frame, there was a support level where gold had repeatedly bounced. Now this support has become resistance. If the gold price approaches this area, it will have to face resistance. If gold manage to reclaim this resistance as a support, the next area will be our 2612 area. This is our next resistance. Two 2612 area where we might find resistance will be significant. Along with this, there is a trend line. This trend line in the 15-minute time frame sitting around 2610 area. This price might test this trend line and potential drop from there, possible reaching down to our 2593 area. So it's important to keep this trend line in mind while if price takes some pullback. We have already talked about support in our 4-hour time frame. That's all for today. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.